Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to import bookmarks in Firefox. So let's get started. Open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-line menu icon to access the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Bookmark. Another drop-down menu will appear. Select Manage Bookmarks to access the full bookmark management window. Then after, click on All Bookmark. Within the Bookmarks window, click on the Import and Backup button located at the top. This will reveal a sub-menu with import options. From the sub-menu, select Import data from another browser. Firefox will present a list of browsers from which you can import bookmarks. Choose the browser you want to import from. Firefox will display a list of items you can import, such as bookmarks, browsing history, password, and more. Check the bookmark option and uncheck others if you only want to import bookmark. Then click Next or Import. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.